Hey guys, Josh at Spec. I kind of wanted to share this with you. I'm at an older 1900s home and on a front porch, pretty typical porch here. And something I always note, not as a defect or anything, just to let the buyers be aware that there's no outlets on the front porch, and this is often the case for an older house. In this case, and you know, just for all the stuff that we have nowadays and Christmas lights and decorations and things like that, it makes it nice, and that's why I kind of note it. But anyway, I noticed in this case we didn't have any, and then I started looking at the lights and I just thought that they were, you know, they're thicker and stuff, and I went and looked on the side here, and it's got a look at that, it's got a GFCI outlet there on the side. I just never had seen that before, and I thought that was pretty cool, and I thought I'd, you know, share it with you guys just in case you were ever and that's awesome. And you know, especially if it's switched or whatever too, where you could plug your Christmas lights in and turn on the light and the outlet comes on as well. I mean, I just thought it was super cool, and I just kind of wanted to share that with you as an option if instead of running an outlet, if you have a situation like this, to go ahead and do something like that, or Google it and do that deal, because I think it's a great idea. Again, this is Josh at Spec, Northwest Ohio Home Inspections. Thanks for watching.